Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. For this video, I'm sharing an updated challenge giveaway for the deadline, because I will extend the deadline to December 15. Because I know there will have some entries coming from overseas, and they have to take time to ship to me. So I will extend, so that I have to extend the deadline to December 15. And who's still interested to participate into this challenge, you still have enough time. And and I will pop the link for the giveaway challenge. You can check it out, because there will have 3 different options for you to entry for this giveaway. So please check it out if you are interested. And thanks for everyone, and bye bye.